Okay, so congratulations once more. You have done that. It took you quite a while, but right now you are able to get into your own local SAP system. You can play around with all the settings inside of that system. You can do the any kind of development which you would like. So, and you are not able to do that on the production systems or in the systems maybe in your company, or even if you are looking for the system where you can start learning on how to code. This is the great system which you can use to run your code, to play around and to test, and just to this is like your sandbox and great resource for learning. So congratulations once more. I keep my fingers crossed for you so that this system will really help you to gain your skills in whatever area, either as I said in a programming, or you want to get into BW, you also have access to this system. So or you want to do some administration learnings, this is the way on how you can do it. So hopefully you really enjoyed this tutorial or this guide, and hopefully we will see or hear each other in some another training. So looking forward, and have a nice day.